What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And in this video, we're gonna go back and visit the app called Tradeblock. And it's a good app. I like the app. Well, I like the idea of the app. I did a video on this app many sneakers ago. But sneaker collections change day by day, man. Yeah, so I always tell y'all, it's not a race, it's a marathon, man. One sneaker you love today, you're not going to love in a few years. So sneaker collections change. So going back to Tradeblock, man, I went in and I updated my closet because I ain't update that thing in a minute. The closet is where you put the sneakers that you own that you're willing to maybe part ways with if the deal is right. Dope app, man. Again, I love the idea of the app, man. So we're gonna go through some trades today that people are offering me, and I want y'all to let me know if y'all think it's a good trade or not, and a couple of reasons. So let's start with number one. All right, the first trade here is from somebody named Cash Addict. Shout out to you, Cash Addict, man. So he want to give me Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 Low OGs, the neutral. So that's not the olive, that's the neutral. And the Jordan Jumpman Jack TRL in the neutral. I guess this guy doesn't like neutral, man. And that's a $915 value. See, I told you the app is dope. You see, they give you the value of what he's trying to get rid of to me. He wants my Off-White Air Jordan 5 SP Museum. And the Off-Whites alone value at $979. So if we're looking at the value aspect of this trade, I'm winning. This trade, if I give it up, I'm losing, right? Only $80, but that's if we're looking at the money value. I'm here to show you the sneakerhead value of all this situation. So, as far as the Travis Scotts, I don't like neither neutral ones. In the Off-White Air Jordan 5s, RIP to Virgil Abloh. I try to say that every Off-White video I do. That's a no for me, guys. That's a no for me, man. Y'all let me know how would y'all monitor that trade, but for me, that's definitely a no. Next trade. Looks like you're trying to get some Kobe's off me, so it's a no automatically. But let's go through it, man. So he's trying to give me Yeezy Boost 350 V2 MX Dark Salt in the Off-White Blazer Low White Universities for my Zoom Kobe 5 Pro Tro X-Ray. Check this out, man. I shouldn't even open this one. Like, I don't want nothing Yeezy Boost, man. Adidas did Yeezy dirty, and Yeezy just said some things he shouldn't have said. So I'm just off on that whole situation, man. Whatever I own still, I got the OG pirate joints. Whatever I own gonna stay, but as far as something new with Adidas and Yeezy, I'm not jacking it. The Off-White Blazer Low, again, RIP Virgil. Not one of my favorites. I showed y'all that review many years ago. The Kobe X-Rays, they're staying in my collection. I wish he would have offered something better. We could have even made this interesting, but that's no. You see here the Kobe's is valued at $290 to $300, and it doesn't show the. Well, you got to add the value he got. The Yeezy Boost is $185, and the Off-White Blazer is about $137. Again, far as value money is neck and neck, but far as sneakerhead wise, that's a no for me. Y'all let me know in the comment section. Alright, we getting a little better here with this trade here. So in this trade, he's trying to give me his Wizard of Oz Dunk SB. I think it's theirs right here. Wow. Look how that works. And that Nicole Haas Dunk Low. I had nothing good to say about that dunk, so we just gonna move on. From me, he want my Verdi Dunk Low SB. my sneaker of the year, my SB of the year. He's trying to trade me a sneaker I already have. It's in my closet, so I know they can see that. But the value of his trade is $300. They're saying the value of the Verdi's is $258. I'm not sure if that's true. I haven't checked the resale on the Verdi's since I acquired them. But this trade, maybe for some, might be a yes. I'm not going to lie. For me, it's a no because of that Nicole dunk and because I already have the Wizard of Oz. This trade is not as bad or lopsided as it looked because it's 2 for 1. But I'm going to pass on that one too. Nah! Alright, this trade here looks like it's straight from 2020 or something. You got the Air Jordan 1 Pine Green, which I have somewhere. It's probably on this side that y'all never see. And he wants my Air Jordan 13 Retro Flints 2020. Pardon me. I told y'all 2020. It looks like a throwback trade. So the Pine Greens are at $292 right now value. And the Flints is at $228. If that's true, as soon as this video over, I'm gonna go. I'm about to buy another pair. But the trade is even to me, guys. I mean, it's kind of even to me. I mean, Jordan 1s are on a decline, but this year Jordan 1s will be back. I can almost guarantee they will be back. Starting with these reimagined joints right here. So, they will be back. The problem with this trade is that I already have those Pine Greens. If those even ones that came out with the Court Purple, because I know they did Pine Green a lot after that. Not a bad trade if you're really, really looking to get Flints, or if you're really, really looking to get Pine Greens. Kind of an even trade here. Alright, this guy here, again, it's another 2 for 1, but it's a little catch on this one. I'll let y'all know. So for this one, he's trying to give me his Air Jordan 1 Retro OG Green Glow joints, which I got over there. In a Dunk Low Pro SB Escargots, or Escargot, or however you say that snail word. Listen, man, both of these sneakers I can go get right now under retail. Like, totally under retail, both of them. The Escargots or Escargots, whatever, I really didn't like that dunk, man. The glows I like, I just ain't put them on, they up there. When the Aprils came out, was no need for me to rock the glows. Same colorway. But from me, he want my Dunk Low Premium Seattle Supersonic joints. Up there somewhere. I love those sneakers, guys. I ain't gonna lie. But even though I said I could get both of the sneakers he's trying to trade under retail, this is a fair trade until he also asks for $25 cash. That kind of looped me, right? But it is an even trade, guys, because even with the $25 cash, according to Tradeblock, I'm still valued at $130. His value is $144. The green joints, the green glow joints is $87, and the Escargots is $71. With a trade like this, this trade doesn't make sense. He can go get the Supersonics. I can go get both pairs of sneakers under retail, and as sneakerheads, we both win. So this one right here is a little loopy. I don't understand the trade, but that's kind of how Tradeblock works, guys. We'll do one more. It's another 2 for 1. So basically, he's trying to just get rid of his Air Jordan 3 Black Cats, right? Because we all know we can go to our favorite website right now and get our pair. But on top of giving me the Air Jordan 3 Black Cats, he's trying to give me the Air Jordan 1 Retro Reimagined. The value of those only $76? I'm going to get another pair after this video. No, I got to double check, guys. I have to double check. Hold on, man. Let's go into it, man. Air Jordan 1 Reimagined guys. 90. Alright, let's finish this video. It's some sneakers that I didn't know was that low that I gotta go get. Alright, so for the Black Cats and the reimagined Jordan 1s, you want my Rookie of the Years, man. I still haven't worn those Rookie of the Years, man. Soon as I was about to wear my Rookie of the Years, I wore the Nigel Sylvester. Same colorway, reversed or whatever, but alright. So the Rookie of the Years is valued at $285. They got the Black Cats valued at $218. That's kind of wild. This trade is a no for me. Again, we down on Jordan 1s, but I can go to any website and get them Black Cats. And we just seen, I'm about to go to GOAT and get another pair reimagined. Was the Royals the one that came with the bag, or was it the red one? I can't remember, but this trade is no good neither. Nah! Yes, sir, man. So I just wanted to go over how Tradeblock works again, man. And let y'all help me out with some trades that y'all think is good. Far as sneakers, man, it's been a slow January, man. But February got some fire, man. You got the Jordan 1 reimagined I just showed y'all. You got the breads coming out, or not the breads, I guess you call it the bands, coming out on Valentine's Day. That's gonna make Valentine's Day very stressful, guys. They say they only come out in 23 stores. I know stores got a lot of stuff that they gonna do for it, raffle. It's gonna be dope, but as far as the sneakerhead, it's gonna be stressful, man. I'm gonna do what I could to acquire them. Honestly, I look to buy them early, but at $1,200 right now, I won't suggest it. I'm not gonna do it, so I won't suggest you guys do it. If it was at $500 right now, $600, I might jump the gun, guys. This pair is going to be limited, like 13K limited. So you got to do what you got to do to get put your footwork in, man. No sneaker last year was more limited than the Verdes, so you just got to do what you got to do, man. But yeah, that's the Tradeblock situation. It's been a slow sneaker 2 weeks, man. Today the Jordan 11, I don't know, Rattlesnake. Yeah, the snake joints came out. How many colorways are you gonna make this sneaker, man? Like we just seen the pink snake, the blue snake, the red snake. Yeah, that's over with, man. But if you like it, I love it, man. I think the sneaker is super clean. It just wasn't my taste, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Nose. Thanks for watching, everybody. Get rich.